Yeah, hi everyone. So today we will see a reverse engineering for the RPA challenge. Normally, let me open the RPA challenge. RPA challenge. So basically, open the Chrome. So and let us see RPA challenge. Okay, so once you open the RP challenge, so you'll find the submit button. See here, submit button. Okay, so beside the submit button, so you don't see anything, right? Okay, so but now you can see the load button. Okay, LOAD load button. Okay, so I'm just opening this one. So I separate a window. Okay, and let me open another notepad. Okay, notepad. So keep the notepad in this side. Okay. So currently we have a RPA challenge in the left side and notepad in the right side. Okay. I'm just filling the information. Start this one. Round one. Company name. So Google and last name and role in the company. SA and address Chennai and sorry. 7054352277 UiPath learning. So I'm just click on the load button, which is a new case. So it's actually not there in the RPA challenge. Okay. So when I click a load button here, so you can see in the right side. Okay. So it's loaded. Okay. It's loaded. What are the information I added here? So let's click on the submit and go to the next line. I'm just loading all the things like Sudhir at gmail.com. First name is Sudhi or Ravi, and phone number is something else, and Bangalore, and last name is uh, Prabha, and company is okay, so IBM, sorry, company, yeah, so role in company, so basically role in company, so developer, okay. So I'm just click on the load, okay. So here the new button called load, okay. So when I click on the load, so automatically it will write the data into the next line. Okay, see here, it's like a reverse engineering. So reverse into the let's submit and add the new record like a Kasim SK and Kasim at gmail.com, and the company is Ongol Gifts, and phone number is something like that, and the role in company CEO. Okay, and address Ongol. Okay, click on the load. So when we click on the load, so automatically the record is adding into the so usually so RPA challenge, so how we do, so we do from the Excel to the, so this one, so but automatically it is doing. Okay, so below the robot is executing, so why this robot, what the robot do, so this is a challenge to you. So just in this post below comments, so if you complete this task, like so loading the a button in the page which is not existed early. For example, if I refresh the RPA challenge, so initially this is not there. Okay, the load button is not there. So what will happen, the load button will add into the screen beside submit buttons. Who will add? Okay, the RPA bot, which is executing in my mission, will add. And also, when I click on that load button, automatically the records it is extracting the form and loading into the text file. So just try to do that by yourself. Okay, so let us see. Just try to build. Okay, so if you are able to complete, uh, just let me know. So that means we can just send to the 970-543-5277. Okay, so uh, send your recorded things. So whatever you complete, right? So to this number, this WhatsApp number. Okay, so this load button appears, and when it is loaded, so it will just whatever the information you provide, so automatically uh, load. Okay. So it automatically adds that data into the a text file. Okay. So got it. So that is a thing. Okay. So thank you very much. So, and also if you want to know how we can build, so the next session, So the live session I will explain. I will explain. So just register in the below link. Okay. So if you want to know how to do this type of magic. Okay. So register in the below link. So I will mention the link in the below in this video. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.